Just 6 minutes ago, NASA's Voyager 2 spacecraft did something unthinkable. After drifting through the cosmos for nearly half a century, it turned back toward Earth, sending a signal that has left scientists speechless. This isn't a routine data packet or a glitch. This is something far more profound, something that could rewrite our understanding of the universe and our place within it. What did Voyager 2 discover out there in the interstellar void? Why is it suddenly breaking? It's decades-long silence with a message that's as cryptic as it is terrifying. Buckle up, because we're diving into one of the most shocking moments in space exploration history. Let's start with some context. Launched in 1977, Voyager 2 is one of humanity's farthest-reaching spacecraft. Alongside its twin, Voyager 1, it was sent to explore the outer planets Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune before venturing into interstellar space. These probes are our cosmic ambassadors, carrying golden records with sounds and images of Earth, a message for any intelligent life that might find them. Voyager 2 crossed a heliopause boundary, where the sun's influence ends and interstellar space begins in 2018. Since then, it's been sailing through the unknown, beaming back faint signals about cosmic rays, magnetic fields, and the eerie emptiness beyond our solar system. Powered by decaying plutonium, its instruments are fading, and NASA expected it to go silent by 2030. But 6 minutes ago, everything changed. Asterisk, according to unconfirmed reports from NASA's Deep Space Network. Voyager 2's onboard computer initiated an unscheduled maneuver. It reoriented its high-gain antenna directly toward Earth and began transmitting a high-priority data burst. This wasn't a random blip. The signal was structured, repetitive, and encoded in a way that suggests deliberate intent. Scientists are scrambling to decode it, but early analysis points to something extraordinary. Voyager 2 may have detected an artificial signal from an unknown source in interstellar space. Yes, you heard that, Ritan, artificial signal. Potentially, from an extraterrestrial civilization. Now, let's pump the brakes for a second. The idea of aliens sounds like science fiction, and we need to approach this with skepticism. Voyager 2's systems are ancient, running on 1970s technology with less computing power than a modern smartwatch. A glitch could explain the maneuver. Or, cosmic radiation might have fried a circuit. But here's why experts are taking this seriously. The signal's structure is unlike anything Voyager 2 was programmed to send. It contains a repeating sequence of pulses, almost like a beacon, interspersed with what appears to be a compressed data stream. This isn't random noise. It's deliberate, and it's coming from a spacecraft that's 15 billion miles away. In a region of space we know almost nothing about. To understand the weight of this moment, let's rewind to Voyager 2's journey. After its grand tour of the outer planets, it became a lonely sentinel, drifting through the interstellar medium, a sparse sea of particles and magnetic fields. Its mission was to measure this uncharted territory, sending back data that's helped us understand the shape of our solar system's boundary. But space is vast, and Voyager 2 is a tiny speck in an ocean of darkness. The odds of it encountering anything, let alone something intelligent, are astronomically low. Yet, the signal suggests it may have stumbled upon something extraordinary. What could this signal be? One possibility is that Voyager 2 intercepted a transmission from an alien probe or beacon. Scientists have long speculated about the existence of extraterrestrial artifacts in our galaxy. The Fermi paradox asks why we haven't seen signs of intelligent life despite the universe's age and size. One answer is that advanced civilizations might use probes to explore, much like we sent Voyager. If Voyager 2 crossed paths with such a device, it could have triggered a response, a hello, from a machine waiting in the void for eons. The signal's repetitive nature supports this idea, resembling a handshake protocol used in our own communication systems. Another theory is more unsettling. The signal might not be a greeting, but a warning. Imagine an ancient civilization left behind a network of buoys to mark a dangerous region of space, a cosmic keep-out sign. Voyager 2, unaware, could have tripped an alarm, prompting the maneuver and data burst. The compressed data stream might contain coordinates, a map, or even a description of the threat. Black holes, rogue planets, or an unknown phenomenon could lurk in the interstellar medium. If this is true, Voyager 2's discovery could be humanity's first glimpse of a cosmic hazard we're utterly unprepared to face. Of course, there's a terrestrial explanation we can't ignore. Voyager 2's power supply is dwindling, and its systems are prone to errors. In 2023, NASA briefly lost contact with the probe after a misaligned antenna sent its signal into empty space. A similar glitch could have caused the maneuver, and the signal might be garbled data from its instruments, but this feels unlikely. The signal's complexity and the deliberate antenna realignment suggest purpose, not randomness. NASA's engineers designed Voyager to be robust, and it's survived decades of harsh conditions. A malfunction this precise would be a remarkable coincidence. Let's explore the extraterrestrial hypothesis further, because it's the one gripping everyone's imagination. If the signal is alien, what does it mean for humanity? First, it confirms we're not alone, a revelation that would append science, philosophy, and religion. But the distance is sobering. At 15 billion miles, Voyager 2 is 20 light-years from Earth. Any civilization out there is so far away that direct contact is impossible with current technology. The signal might be a one-way message, like our golden record, meant to be found, but not answered. Or it could be a test, a challenge to see if we're advanced enough to respond. Decoding the signal is the next hurdle. NASA's team is likely using supercomputers to analyze the data, comparing it to known patterns. If it's a language or code, it could take years to crack. The Arecibo message we sent in 1974 was a simple binary image, but this signal appears far more complex. It might contain mathematics, images, or even instructions. Imagine a blueprint for advanced technology, or a warning about an impending galactic event. The possibilities are as thrilling as they are terrifying. What's next for Voyager 2? Its power is too low to sustain another maneuver, and its instruments are on borrowed time. If the signal was a one-off, we may never get more data. NASA could try sending a command to repeat the transmission, but the round-trip communication takes 40 hours. By the time you're watching this, we might have new information. Or Voyager 2 could go silent forever, leaving us with a cosmic mystery. The Deep Space Network is on high alert, and amateur radio enthusiasts are tuning in, hoping to catch a stray signal. This discovery, if confirmed, changes everything. For decades, we've searched for signs of life with SETI, radio telescopes, and exoplanet surveys. Voyager 2, a relic from the disco era, might have beaten them all. Its golden record, meant as a message to aliens, could have ironically led to us receiving one instead. The irony is poetic. A spacecraft built to say hello might have heard a reply. But let's not get carried away. Science demands rigor, and we need confirmation. The signal could be a natural phenomenon, pulsar, or magnetar, mimicking an artificial pattern. Or it could be a hoax, though that's unlikely given NASA's secure systems. Until we have peer-reviewed data, we're in the realm of speculation. Still, the timing is uncanny. Just 6 minutes ago, Voyager 2 reminded us how small we are and how vast the universe is. What do you think Voyager 2 found? Is it an alien beacon, a cosmic warning, or just a glitch? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and let's keep this discussion going. If you're as obsessed with space as I am, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more updates on this developing story. We're living in a historic moment, and I'll be here to break it down as new details emerge. Until then, keep looking up because the universe just got a whole